is one of those really weird, odd questions which I don't like, but it's a question you'll find in the paper, and so I'm going to go through it. It's to design a suitable question for someone's questionnaire. Now, there's probably 3 things you have to remember with this, maybe 4, we'll see how many we come up with. And as long as you make a question which suits those 3 or 4 things, then and it all's good, really. First of all, you've got to have answers for everyone. By that I mean that everyone has a box to tick, so it's not like how many times a week do you play hockey, 1 to 3, 4 to 8. If you didn't play it any time, or you play it 10 times a week, you've got no boxes. Or alternatively, you don't also want one with, I'm going to make a separate point actually, no overlaps, so you can't have 1 to 3, 3 to 6, because if you have through 3, do you go in the 1 to 3 or 3 to 6 box? You also want some sort of limit on it, and so a time period normally. So not how many times you go to the gym, but how many times do you go to the gym per week, per month. In fact, then the questions will normally be written to test these 3 things. So, how often people use the BMX track in town? Simple question you can ask. How many times do you usually, key point, usually, visit the BMX track? Then to use a time period, a realistic one. It's probably not per year, probably per week for this. And then you only want 4 boxes normally. Any more, it just gets to take too much time. You might put 0, 1 to 3. Now remember, this is qualitative data, which means that you can't have like 3.2, and so you can have like whole number gaps in between. So 4 to, and try to keep the gaps even. So here we've got a gap of 2. So here we want a gap of 2, 4 to 6. And then you might put 7 or more. Okay, so that has answers for everybody. There's no overlaps, 3, 4, 6, 7, and there's a limit per week. If you put those 3 things in, you'll be doing well.